Welcome to Learn English with Lizzy. My name is Elizabeth Peter, and my goal is to help you improve your English fluency through educational English videos. Today, we are going to learn about 20 English words beginning with letter V. Vacillate. This means to keep changing your opinion or thoughts about something, especially in a way that annoys other people. Example: his constant vacillation about the proposal has ruined the plan. The synonym for vacillate is waver. Vagabond. A vagabond is a person who has no home or job and who moves from one place to another aimlessly. Example: he has been a vagabond ever since he lost his job. Vagrant. This means a person who has no home or job and who asks for money from other people. Example: he has become a vagrant. Vagrancy. This is the crime of living on the streets and begging for money from other people. Example: he was charged for vagrancy. Valiant. This means very brave or determined. Example: a valiant attempt to cross the Pacific Ocean. The synonym is courageous. Vandalize. This means to damage something, especially public property, deliberately and for no good reason. Example: they were arrested for vandalizing the train station. Vanquish. This means to defeat somebody or something, especially in a war or competition. Example: she was vanquished in the contest. Verdant. This means of grass, fields, etc., fresh and green. Example: I stood admiring the verdant garden. Veteran. This means a person who has a lot of experience in a particular area or activity. Example: veteran heroes of war. He is a veteran soldier. Vie. This means to strongly compete with somebody in order to obtain or achieve something. Example: the women are all vying for the prince's attention. If you enjoyed the video this far, kindly click on the subscribe button and like the video. Thank you. Vitiate. This means to spoil or reduce the effect of something, to make something less effective or potent. Example: a feeble attempt to vitiate the potency of the drug. Viviparous. This means of animals who give birth to live babies rather than laying and hatching their babies from eggs. Example: most mammals are viviparous. Volatile. This means of a person or their moods changing easily from one mood to another. Example: some children are very volatile. Secondly, it means of a situation likely to change suddenly or easily. Example: you can't rely on his volatile promises. The forex market is highly volatile. Voluble. This means talking with a lot of enthusiasm about a subject. Example: a voluble discussion on gender equality. Volte-face. This means a complete change of opinion or plan. Example: the government just made a volte-face on tax reduction. The synonym is about done. Vulpine. This means like a fox. Example, a vulpine disease. Votive. This means presented to a god as a sign of thanks. Example, she made a votive sacrifice at the shrine. Votary. This means a person who worships or loves somebody or something very much. Example, he is a votary of pop music. This means he loves pop music so much. Voluminous. This means of clothing, very large, having a lot of clothes. Example, she wore a voluminous dress to the party. Secondly, it means of a book or a piece of writing that is very long and detailed. Example, most medical books are very voluminous. Third, it also means a container or a piece of furniture that is very large. Example, he poured the remaining water in the voluminous drum. Voracious. This means eating or wanting large amounts of food. Example, he has a voracious appetite. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and like the video.